Steam ovens were originally designed for the food service industry so that users could take the guesswork out of cooking because they featured cooking programs that only needed to be programmed in to achieve precise results every time. In other words, they were designed to be immune to user error. Residential models feature a variety of functions, and while many models also feature programs to cook the food for you, steam ovens are in fact really easy to use. It's just a matter of understanding the different functions before you put the food in the oven. The steam function, where the oven heats to 212 degrees, is ideal for steaming any food that you can cook in or over boiling water. And you can cook multiple containers of food at one time. So basically, any grains can be cooked in this mode in an oven-safe container. Just add cold water and any seasoning and place in the oven uncovered. Set the timer and be thankful for never having to wipe the cooktop clean after a boil over. While the oven is in this mode, you can add vegetables to steam, make hard-boiled eggs, poach shellfish or fish, all at the same time. Personally, I'm a fan of steaming bone-in chicken to add to salads or sandwiches, because steaming the chicken in water with some veggies also creates instant, flavorful chicken broth. The combination convection steam mode is wonderful for roasting meats, fish, poultry, and vegetables with stunning results. Why? Because when we cook with steam, there's no cellular breakdown in the food, so the food has better flavor, better texture, and higher nutrient retention. Now, much as I love cooking in the steam oven, one of my favorite modes is actually the defrost mode. In this mode, the ice crystals in the food dissolve, but the food doesn't begin to cook. Yes, it takes longer than a microwave, but the results are so impressive. For many people, it's the results of reheating food that give them reason enough to buy a steam oven. But this oven has many options to support your cooking, and learning to make good use of those options really simplifies food preparation with amazing, wonderful results. Hi, I'm Larissa, your convection enthusiast. Convection cooking can make you a better cook. Check out my videos and I think you'll find that you'll do really, really well. And please like and subscribe.